Good morning. We are here live at Hoag Hospital's YouTube channel down here in Foothill Ranch. Hope you all are able to join us this morning. We are talking about a very important topic, and it's very important because of COVID. So it seems like in the past, maybe we took our immune system for granted, but everyone is talking about this because it's so important now, right? So I'm going to be talking about today how we can boost our immune system with our food. And before I jump into that, there's a lot of things that help our immune system. But first of all, what is our immune system? So our immune system is a very intricate system, little cells working very closely together in our body that help fight and protect us against viruses, bacteria, all these the germy world, right? So it's very important to take care of our immune system. So first of all, before we get into the foods that are going to help boost our immune system, there are two other important topics that I just want to mention. We talk about them all the time here at the Lifestyle Program, and that is our sleep and exercise. So these two things are very important to boost our immune system. Studies have been done, and they've shown that people that sleep at least 7 to 9 hours a day, we're all a little bit different, have a stronger immune system. And then, of course, a little bit of moderate exercise every day is going to boost your immune system. These two things help all the little cells fight and help protect us against all the germs that are around. So now we're going to talk about how to boost our immune system with our diet, our foods. So first I want to ask you guys, do you know what our largest organ is, the human, in our human body? What's the largest organ? No, we don't. Okay, so I'm glad I'm popping on here to tell you our largest organ is our skin. So our skin is our first protection against all these germs and viruses and bacteria. It is our largest organ, so we need to take care of it. And we can get the vitamins we need, minerals, from our foods. So the first vitamin I'm going to talk about, well, let me step back a little bit. Our immune system needs lots of micronutrients, and those are our vitamins and minerals that we get from our diet. And mostly plant-based foods, but also in animal products as well. So going back to our largest organ is our skin. This is going to be our first defense mechanism, our barrier against those viruses. So what can you eat for your skin? So we need vitamin A. So vitamin A, the precursor to vitamin A, which we get in our foods, is beta carotene. And beta carotene, you can think about it as in our orange foods. So I got some here today. Got some carrots. I got sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes. I eat one a day. Maybe not this size, but I got this every day in my diet. Your pumpkins, your squashes. What else has vitamin A? Anyone want to put a comment there and let me know? So all your orange foods. Let's see. Carrots, pumpkin, squash, sweet potatoes. I'm sure there's tons of other things that I just can't think of right now. So yolks, egg yolks, whole grains, also nuts. So we need our beta carotene to help protect to help our skin. Also, it's very important for our respiratory tract and our gut health. And respiratory tract is super important because of COVID, right? It's attacking our respiration. So vitamin A, you can find in tons of foods, lots of orange foods, just remember that, and that will help you with your skin integrity. So now I'm going to go into vitamin C. Vitamin C is always the big one when we're talking about immunity and how to fight our colds and flus. And vitamin C is in just a wide variety of foods, fruits and vegetables, and we don't produce any vitamin C and we don't store any vitamin C. So it's very important that we keep that up every day in our diet. And not just in the winter, not just in the cold and flu season. This should be all year round. So where do we get vitamin C? Does anyone know? I'm sure you guys are very familiar with vitamin C. Okay, when we think vitamin C, you can think citrus, C and citrus. So your citrus fruits, so for example, oranges, tangerines, clementines, nectarines, kiwis, that small and mighty green fruit, it has tons of vitamin C. Sorry, I say a lot. I'm trying to get rid of that word. Strawberries, your berries, lots of vitamin C. Red bell peppers actually has more vitamin C than your oranges. So get some of those red bell peppers. I eat it like an apple. I just walk around and just chomp on it like that. Super easy to eat. Brussels sprouts, broccoli, all these greens have so much vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants. They are fighting against the free radicals that are happening in our body. They are fighting and protecting us against cancer. So lots of properties that are super important other than our immune system. Just keep that in mind. Spinach, superfood, tons of antioxidants. Beta carotene, fight infections. Spinach, you can throw it in everything. Such an easy green to cook with because you don't even have to cook it. You can eat it raw, you can throw it in your smoothies, your salads, casseroles. You throw it in your soup after it's cooked, stews, just wilts down. You really don't need to cook your spinach. So that's a super source of vitamin C. So like I just said, vitamin C is in so many foods and we do need it every day. So keep that one up, help your immune system. Another food that is very popular all over the world is our garlic. So garlic gives tons of flavor to our cooking. You can just throw that in everywhere. Garlic has a compound called allicin, and that is the heavy concentration of sulfur, which helps boost our immune system. Ginger is another food. This I have been using so much lately in curry dishes. You can make a homemade ginger soup, ginger tea, hot tea. Sipping on lots of fluids during this time period is very important. Getting the fluids, carrying those lymph cells is going to help boost your immune system. So garlic, ginger, throw those in wherever you can, stir fries, soups, stews, teas, like I said. And then vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. It also fights our immune system. It seems to get a little bit of the back seat versus vitamin C, but it is all very important. They all work together in our body. It's a very intricate system, our immunity. So it's very important, the vitamin E. In different foods, I've been talking about those all week. You can find them in your nuts, in your seeds, your heart-healthy fats. So keep up with the vitamin E. So there's also lots of other vitamins and minerals I didn't talk about today. Your selenium, your zinc, magnesium. These are all very important in cell production, reproduction, our DNA, and this all has to do with our immune system. Keeping our immune system very strong to help fight any of the viruses and bacteria, pathogens that are coming at us during this very important critical time. So I talked about vitamin C, I talked about vitamin A, vitamin E, we need zinc, we need selenium, magnesium. These are just a few of the very important micronutrients we need to boost our immune system, but they are very important. And they can be found in our colorful foods. Think of the rainbow. If you can get in different colors of the rainbow every day with a variety of foods, you are going to assure that you can build up your immune system. You're doing the right thing for your health, especially during this weird time that we're all having with the COVID. So just encourage the rainbow. Just remember that. You can also talk to your kids about the rainbow and how it really keeps you strong eating the different foods from the rainbow, the colors of the rainbow. So that was just a short little blurb on keeping our immune system strong. Do you guys have any questions that I can answer for you? Don't want to keep you too much this morning. Any questions?
Can I do frozen fruits and vegetables, or does it have to be fresh?
Good question. Frozen versus fresh fruits and vegetables. So right now it's very important just to eat what you can get. It seems like the stores have a lot of fresh, but also lots of frozen. Frozen are just as nutritious, so use what you can get. When you are cooking your vegetables, it's just very important not to cook them, or I don't want to say cook them, I meant overcook them, so you lose some of the vitamins and minerals that way. Just cook them as much as you need to enjoy them. It's also great to eat them raw, but frozen, fresh, do what you can right now. They're both very filled with lots of vitamins and minerals, so can't go wrong with that.
How about during this time, drinking water? How important is it?
Drinking water. Should we be drinking water, staying hydrated? Absolutely. No matter what time, we should always be hydrated, because water is very important for all our systems in our body, not just our immunity, but it helps carry our lymph cells around that are going to fight infection in our body. So definitely stay hydrated. You should be drinking about half of your body weight in water. So, but it also could include teas. Green teas, black teas have a lot of antioxidants, very important for our immunity. So drink tea, drink water, very important. Good question.
What about if I don't have those fruits and vegetables available? Is it okay to go to the store and get them from supplements off the counter, from like GNC, like vitamin D, vitamin A? Are those just as useful or no?
Good question about supplements. So supplements are not for everyone. Somebody was asking, if I don't get fruits and vegetables now, can I go and buy some supplements? So supplement is very important to first talk to your doctor. You just don't want to go and buy any supplements. Supplements are not regulated, so we don't know exactly what's in them. So it's very important to have a high quality supplement if you are going to be supplementing your diet. But we can definitely get all our vitamins and minerals from foods. There are select populations that do need supplements because of any disease that they have, or some kind of immune compromised disease. So it's very important to talk to your doctor and dietitian about supplementation. I wouldn't just go out and buy them. Good question. Any other questions before we wrap it up today? I do want to remind you, though, to always hit like here, leave any comments, subscribe to our Hoag Hospital YouTube channel so you get notifications. I don't want you to miss any of these. We go live 5 days a week. So I'd love to see you here every day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's topic. Thank you for joining.